Quality is something every company strives for and is often very elusive. Complications about efficiency and quality arise daily in business, either because an important document is missing or a consumer finds a product that does not meet their expectations. How can a company increase the quality of its products and service? The answer is ISO 9000. ISO 9000 is one of the most widely recognized standards in the world. ISO 9000 is a quality management standard that contains the guidelines that allow increasing the efficiency of a business and customer satisfaction. The goal of ISO 9000 is to implement a quality management system within an organization, increase productivity, reduce unnecessary cost, and ensure the quality of process and products. ISO 9000 is applicable to companies and organizations in any sector. The process-oriented approach makes the standards also applicable to organizations that provide service. Is general with the lines allowed the flexibility needed for today's diverse business world. ISO 9000 is set up as a set of guidelines that helps a company establish, maintain and improve a quality management system. It is important to emphasize that ISO 9000 is not a rigid set of requirements and that organizations have flexibility in how they implement their quality management systems. This freedom allows ISO 9000 to be used in a wide range of organizations and companies, large and small. An important aspect of ISO 9000 is its process-oriented approach. Is Instead of looking at the individual departments and process of a company, ISO 9000 requires that it be viewed as a whole. A good foundation builds a good business. ISO 9000 is a good foundation for a small business that want to expand their market. By introducing a quality management system like ISO 9000 in a small company, the quality of the process will increase and the cost due the inefficiency will decrease. Additionally, a small business will be able to advertise the use of the internationality recognized ISO 9000. This can create business opportunities that were not available before the implementation and certification of an objectively verified quality management system. Operational factors are those that affect the use of the software. Fits software meets specifications, reliability, the rate to which the software is reliable, that is, it has no bugs, efficiency need for software and hardware resource of the product, security, the degree to which access to software and data can be controlled, ease of use, a degree of effort required to use the software, uh, quality uh, maintenance factors are those that able to the modifiability of the software, flexibility, effort required to modify and program, testability, effort required to test a program, maintainability, effort required to locate and fix a bug. We understand by external factors of software quality those properties that can be detected by users. In addition, there are other qualities, external and internal factors of software quality that can be considered. Internal factors of software quality such as modularity, readability. Ultimately, the most important are the external factors because if a software does not perform that task correctly, it does not matter how well structured it may be inside. Correctness and robustness. Correctness is the property of software to function correctly, and robustness is related to the ability of a software system to be prepared for correct operation in the event of exception that may occur. That is, an application file has to work well, and if an exception occurs later, it has to be handled correctly. Both concepts are so related that they are usually brought together in a more general term: reliability, extensibility, and reuse. A software system is extensible if it is easy to add modification or include new features, and it is reusable if other different system can be built with the same system or part of it. Modification and reuse are also of, often brought together in a more general term: modularity.